Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is focused on my hydraulic set made of fischertechnik, and last time I added this LED which flashes when the photo transistor is activated and this motor starts running and the band is moving. I'm not completely satisfied with the result because it's flashing instead of burning. So what I want is that it acts like this LED or this one. So this one will burn like now, and I want that one to do the same. Now let's see it. And it doesn't respond. It doesn't do anything. So I need to check on that because last time it worked. Maybe a loose wire. But let's check anyway. I switch to screencast as well. And there was definitely something wrong with the wiring because I just moved this a little bit. And as you can see right here, it works out. And as you can see here, LED is flashing. So how can I make it stop flash? Therefore I need to check the code. So let me do that. That solution may be quite simple because here I activate the output for the LED, let it sleep for 1 second, that means have it activated for 1 second and then set it to 0, meaning LED is off. But here already put it all, the switch off, so I think I better put this one in here. So cut this out, put this in, and this is all sleep 1, which may not be a problem. But just let's have a look at it. For now, stop it and go. And now you see that the LED is burning. Now it's off. And this piston is pulling the everything down and the LED is burning constantly. So no more blinking. The only thing that is a problem is the water level, because the water level is very low. If you look here, that's all the water there is. Being pushed down. Look at the other piston, that's all water there is, so I really need to fill it up in order to get some nice results. Now I find I have a problem because to refill the pistons I do need water, but I also need a hose in order not to deconstruct the whole system, and I can't find the extra hose that I usually have. So what I need to do is be careful to deconstruct, hold it upside down and refill. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I'll have to do it anyway. So getting the water right behind here in this piston, out of it into here, and that's going to be a bit difficult as well, although taking this off won't be such a problem. Shifting this there, and then see how far I can go, because it needs to be refilled. I'm taking this one off. then pushing everything into the other one, which is right here. Then take off the hose, which is right here. And hopefully I can hold it here in the glass of demineralized water. The only problem is that I usually have to hold the other piston upside down, which I can't do right now because it's inside the whole thing. But let me just try to get it done anyway. Alright, it's filled, and putting the hose back with a little bit of water spill. So getting this part back again. Taking the piston out a little bit. Alright, that should do it. Water out of the way. And let's run again, see whatever happens this time. Well, will it work smoothly or not? Well, there's an air pocket, but there's enough water in the system now. So, looking at the LED, and it goes off. That's very good. And the other way around, it goes on. And the rubber band and motor just work out. That's good. So what about the manual system? I have to try that as well, of course. So let's do that. So let's take this part first. And that seems to work quite well. Although there's the usual air pocket, it's alright. Then let's take this one. It's completely down, so and what's the result here? It's totally on top here. That one is not totally down. And as such, this one isn't sucked out. Now it stops. So let me push it down again. Any result here? None. Because the switch isn't, and you can't see it. The switch isn't activated, so the LED isn't done, so this water, you can see by the way that if I push here, the water is moving, but because of the air pocket, I have to move it and then it runs. but because of the air in the system, and there's a big air pocket here, I have to refill. And with the same combination again, undo the hose and refill. Again with some water spill, and the piston is quite full now. So in order to reconnect, I'm going to pull it back a bit, notch in to the lever, and that already works much better. So now it would be very nice if the switch would be activated, and that may also push it back a bit. Right, now move it a bit. Okay, so that's a little bit of a problem, but there's also an air pocket there. And that's only one little piece of distance that it needs to cover. Yeah, refill again. With all the pistons kept in place and just taking the hoses, let me do it once again. That is working out, and that is still not working out. Which is a shame, by the way, because the first time I tried after refill, it did work out. And once again, so that's a pity. Too much air in that system. Just a little bit further. And I'm convinced it's because of the air. Actually no. It's not because of the air, it's because of this balance. So how can I make this balance better? That's the nice question then. And slightly down. Yeah, so this balance needs better. Needs to improve, and then everything would be fine. But it's a delicate balance. 3 things fixed. 1 LED right here. Refill here and double refill on this part. And almost everything working. Nice result. Just hope that this keeps working. But it seems to work out for now. And the last run. Yeah, it works out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website under the video, listed under the video, and perhaps going to be continued. Have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.